Hello everyone. Today we start a new chapter 6 Natural Vegetation and Wildlife. Yesterday we have completed about categories of natural vegetation and wildlife. So natural vegetation, the vegetation which grow naturally without any interference of human or human effort. And the growth of vegetation depends on the different factors like temperature and moisture. Temperature determine sunshine, and moisture determined by rainfall, the amount of rainfall. These are the two main factors which the natural vegetation depend on it. The other are slope and the thickness of soil of that place or particular place. So the natural vegetation classified into three broad category: forest and grassland and shrubs. Forests which grow where the temperature and rainfall are plentiful, where the sun rays falls directly, and the moisture amount of moisture is high, the rainfall amount of rainfall is high. So depending upon this factor, these areas, the densest and open forests are grown. Okay, as you know, our earth is tilt toward east, 66-degree angle. So the sun is here, so the temperature, so the where the rain falls, sun rays falls directly, that area having evergreen forest. As you know, our earth is tilt, so that these areas, the equator and tropic. So the depends of the moisture and the temperature. Let's talk about the different kind of forest. So here is a evergreen, tropical evergreen forest. Why do we call this tropical evergreen? Because these are located on tropical zone. From equator to tropical, these are located on near to tropic zone. That is why these known as tropical evergreen forest. Why do we call this evergreen forest? Because these forests are throughout year, these are green. And it is also known as the rainforest because of the plentiful rainfall occur here, only because of its location setting. Now the tropical evergreen forest, the very famous called Brazil, which is known as the lungs of the earth. It provides the oxygen for whole world. The Amazon basin of the South America, Zaire basin, Africa, country in the Southeast Asia have a such forest like tropical evergreen forest. The main trees found here in these forests are rosewood, ebony, mahogany are the common trees found here. Now the canopy of these forests, the thick canopy means these made the shade, tin shade type. The huge dense forest these are. So these leaves you can see in this picture, you can observe in this picture like the canopy. Shade bana lete hain leaves, so it does not allow the sunlight to reach the forest ground. Fine. Now the main feature of the evergreen forest that it does not shade their leaves all together. Different time they shade their leaf, not particular time. Now come to the next is which kind of wildlife found in this evergreen forest. Anaconda is a one of the world famous, world largest snake, which is found in tropical evergreen forest. And the anaconda ability to kill and eat the large animals such as the crocodile because of its body structure. Let's come to the next one is the wildlife like gorilla, leopard, monkey, elephant, hippopotamus, snakes, python, anaconda, and endless number of birds are also found here. Because these forests give the natural habitation to wildlife. Next one, you should move on next topic, that is tropical deciduous forest. Deciduous forest, the forest which grow where the moderate rainfall are. The monsoon forest, these are also known as monsoon forests. These are found in the large part of our country, northern, a large part of our country like Madhya Pradesh, okay, Himalaya region, Northern Australia and the Central America. These regions experience which the seasonal changes, the tree shade, because the tree shade their leaf at particular time, the dry season. Why? To conserve the water. Now the main tree found in these are hardwood, sal, tea, neem, sesame. These are hard because उनको time मिलता है सूखने का. And that is why extremely they are used in many things like the making furniture or transportation, constructional activities. Now wildlife found in here like tiger, elephant, lions, langurs, monkey are the common animals found in tropical deciduous forests. Here. Now our earth is divided into 3 zones. First is equator, so that is torrid zone. At the between is temperate zone. And here is a physics zone. Pole, near to pole area. So this area, these forests found temperate evergreen forest. So they located the mid-latitudinal and coastal region. They are commonly found in the eastern margin of the continent, like in the southeast USA, South China, or South Brazil, and the comprised with a hard and soft wood tree like oak, pine, eucalyptus. So there you can differentiate in tropical evergreen forest, mahogany, rosewood, ebony found, but in temperate evergreen forest, eucalyptus, pine, and oak trees are found. So you can observe only because of the location, the vegetation has changed. Now next one is a temperate deciduous forest. Same. These forests are found the temperate high latitude. So the more temperate deciduous found, they are found in the northeastern part of the USA, China, New Zealand, Chile, and other found in the coastal region of Western Europe. They shade their leaves in dry season, and the common trees are found like oak, ash, beech. And wild animal found in these like deer, fox, wolves are the common animal found in temperate deciduous forests. They are also the land of the many birds like pheasant, monals are the found here. When we move toward the temperate evergreen forest, the temperate deciduous forest found, and it is an area rich in deciduous forest. Okay. Now next one is a Mediterranean forest. The forest which is found near the Mediterranean Sea, near the Mediterranean area, these forests known as the Mediterranean forest. These are the common found, which is the area surrounding the Mediterranean Sea. The Mediterranean trees adapt themselves to the dry summer to have their thick bark and wax-coated leaves, which help them to reduce transpiration. Now, Mediterranean Sea forests are also known as the orchards of the world because its climatic, hot and wet climatic condition provide to cultivation of the fruits, citric fruits. Okay. The kind of vegetation found in Mediterranean like California and the USA, south of west. So this area, these forests are very famous for the citrus fruits such as the orange, fig, olive, grapes are commonly cultivated over here. People normally remove the local remove the natural vegetation in order to cultivate the more fruits, and it is not much the wildlife. Okay, why the this is known as the orchards of the world? Because of its, why the citrus fruit grow here? Because this season a mark for hot dry summer and mild rainy winter. This climatic condition is required for the citrus fruit, and this is available in this zone. That is why the citrus fruit grown here. Okay, now the next one is a coniferous forest. It is also known as a mountainous forest because they grow and they found in a high latitudes. The temperature is very low. These are also known as taiga. Taiga is comes from which language? Russian language, pure, untouched, where the people is not easily reached there. So these are untouched. Their forests are seen in the higher latitude. These trees, which the Salima found, which is found in our country in Himalayan range, and these forests, the wood pulp is used to making the boxes, packing boxes, paper, newsprint paper के लिए, printing paper के लिए the this pulp of this wood is used. In this forest, which kind of the wildlife found? Like silver fox, mink, polar bear are common animals found here. So there are the which kind of trees are found? Like tall softwood evergreen trees are found, and the wood of these trees are very useful for making pulp, which is used to manufacturing paper and newsprint. And matchbox, packing box are also made from the this softwood. So the softwood found here in mountainous forest. In next class, we will talk about the grasslands. So we have covered the forest, one category of natural vegetation forest: temperate, tropical evergreen, temperate, tropical deciduous, and Mediterranean, coniferous and mountainous forest.